about the thing. Just without the most yeah. Feel real good with your hands in the air. LA 2 shots in the atmosphere.
Mag-hello na kayo.
Hindi mo bibinyohan.
Cake! Kasi kiki.
Bastos!
Hi sa anak kong pasaway. Nakamukha ko na kahit lagi kami nag-away, mahal na mahal ko yan. Ako yung forever mong magiging PA. Ayoko umiyak, sayang. Diba? Basta susuportahan kita sa lahat ng gusto mo. Andito lang ako. I love you.
Hi, Amanda. Happy birthday. Grateful ako sa friendship natin. Happy birthday, Amanda. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amanda.
Happy birthday, Amanda. Happy birthday. Always stay healthy and God bless.
Happy birthday, Amanda. Stay healthy and
Bago ka na.
Happy birthday, Amanda. Ever since I've known you, you have not changed. You're beautiful. So stay that way. Happy birthday.
Hi Amanda, happiest birthday. More paninira to come. Medyo. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi, Amanda. Happy birthday. More blessings. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kambal. Alam mo namang unexpected ang ating friendship, no? Pero,
Charot.
alam mo, hindi din ako magaling sa mga message na ganito. So, alam mo na, love you.
Hi Amanda, happy birthday. Sorry yung ngipin ko, cake pa. We love you so much. Sana magpatuloy kang maging retokada. Sorry. Ayun, I love you, happy birthday. At alising Gera again.
Lasing na ako. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
He got me flowers. So ngayon, we are on our way to
BCC.
yeah, dun kami stay for my birthday. Kasi wala siya kagabi sa sa birthday sa Lubong dinner kasi he was at school. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Hey guys, so nandito kami now sa the other office kasi nagugutom ako and I wanna eat. Hi. And this is our view.
Hello. So, andito kami ngayon sa Nalita at the other office. Kasama ko si birthday girl. Ba't parang,
Okay, talaga sila, I feel.
ba't parang baliktad yung mukha ko, no? Or yung ano yun, sa camera.
Yan.
Side view.
Rhinoplasty ba yan?
Hindi. Legit to, legit. Tignan natin yung legit mo rin. Side view. Yeah.
Ay, totoo yan. Totoong man-made.
Sige.
So, later na ako kakain. I'm gonna wait for you. Bet ko siya. Hello! Nakatapos namin kumain and hindi ko naubos yung food ko. Nakahintay ng food ni Din, nabusog na ako. Nawala na yung gutom ko. Mag-check-in na kami in a while. We are done eating! So now, pupunta na kami sa BCC to check in. And yeah. We're checked in. And we've got separate beds. And may natanggap ako na little something from BCC. Super kilig! Thank you so much, BCC. Oh my God! This is from my boyfriend. And this one is from BCC Management. I got another gift! This is from Ma'am Kath and Ma'am Lian. Yan. From the F&B Management. Thank you so much! Hey!
Hey!
We're gonna go golfing. Pero ano siya? Simulation? Simulation golfing. Ipapagpabukas na lang namin yung pag-golf na yan kasi hindi namin mahanap. So ngayon, we're gonna go out na lang to eat dinner. Ayan siya. Si Boss Aldane. We made it here at where?
Outlook. The Outlook. The Outlook's taken care.
Miss ko dito yung truffle fries. Ito, teriyaki glazed salmon. My most favorite, yes. Can we please get the menu nung drinks po?
Sure.
Thank you.
Compared sa ano?
our food.